Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to disconnect your Amazon Prime account from your Twitch account. If you're looking to unlink these services for any reason, whether you're switching accounts or simply no longer want them connected, this process is quick and straightforward. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First, open your web browser and navigate to twitch.tv. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will take you to your Twitch homepage where you can access all your account settings and features. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your Twitch account, from privacy options to connected services. Once you're in the settings area, direct your attention to the top menu where you'll find several tabs. Click on Connections. This section displays all the external accounts and services currently linked to your Twitch account, including social media platforms and subscription services like Amazon Prime. In the Connections tab, look for Amazon Prime membership listed among your connected accounts. Right beside it, you'll see a Disconnect button. Click on Disconnect to begin the unlinking process. This action tells Twitch you want to remove the connection between your Prime account and Twitch, which means you'll no longer receive Prime gaming benefits on this Twitch account. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify this action. This is Twitch's way of making sure you're intentionally disconnecting the service and not doing so by accident. Click Yes Disconnect to finalize the process, and that's it. You've successfully disconnected your Amazon Prime account from your Twitch account. The two services are now unlinked, and any Prime gaming benefits associated with this connection will no longer be active on your Twitch profile. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.